Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to LifeCrafters Academy. Today, we've got something special in store for you, a comprehensive guide on hair care tips to keep your locks looking luscious and healthy. Whether you have curly, straight, or wavy hair, these tips are for everyone. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Understanding your hair type. Before we get started with specific tips, it's crucial to understand your hair type. Is your hair oily, dry, fine, or coarse? Knowing this will help you choose the right products and treatments for your unique needs. Number 2. The basics of hair washing. First things first, let's talk about washing your hair. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, so find a balance that works for you. Use lukewarm water, choose sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, and don't forget to rinse thoroughly. Number 3. Proper hair conditioning. Conditioning is essential for maintaining moisture and softness. Use a deep conditioner once a week and apply a regular conditioner every time you shampoo. Focus on the ends, where your hair needs it the most. Number 4. The art of drying. Drying your hair can be a game changer. Gently pat your hair with a microfiber towel to avoid damage. If you're using a hairdryer, opt for a lower heat setting and a diffuser attachment for those gorgeous curls. Number 5. Avoiding heat damage. Heat styling can be harsh on your hair. Always use a heat protectant spray and try to limit your use of straighteners and curling irons. Embrace your natural texture whenever possible. Number 6. Eating for healthy hair. Don't forget, healthy hair starts from the inside. Load up on foods rich in vitamins and minerals like biotin, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Your hair will thank you. Number 7. Nighttime hair care routine. Your hair also needs some TLC while you sleep. Switch to a silk pillowcase, tie your hair in a loose bun or braid to prevent friction, and wake up with smoother, more manageable hair. Number 8. Regular trims. Last but not least, don't skip those regular trims. Trimming your hair every 6-8 weeks keeps it looking fresh, prevents split ends, and encourages healthy growth. There you have it, folks, our top hair care tips for gorgeous, healthy locks. Remember, consistency is key. Implement these tips into your routine, and you'll notice a significant difference in the health and appearance of your hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips on LifeCrafters Academy. Until next time, stay beautiful.